Hi. Good morning. Actually, I'm going to give you instruction about how to make a simple flashlight. And actually, my students from primary 2 from Ecole in Central Jakarta want me to show them how to make a simple flashlight. And yeah, I'm gonna show them in YouTube because there's not much time in school. So first, okay, the bell rang. Okay, we still have time. What we need to do is first we need batteries. Okay, the batteries, two batteries, the small one. Okay, and then what we need is tape like this, scissors, of course, the small bulb, and we need the wire. Okay, not too long. I've already cut it. And of course, you need the cable. Okay, just make the small one. Okay, not too big. And then actually we also need a plastic spoon, and actually I have already cut this one. Just make it small like this into the small, or you can make it into the small. Just make it two. Okay, for my experiment here, for my project, I have already make it into two like this. Just cut it using the scissor just like that. Okay, so then to decorate it, we will need the origami paper, or you can use another. This is just for the option. Okay, so what we need to do first, okay, is that we take one of the spoon, take one of the battery, okay, put it here, okay, and we will stick it with this tape. I'll take it. Let's take a look. Okay, make sure it's over here. See the edge of the battery, and make sure the battery is this flat, not this one. Okay, the minus one, not the positive one. The minus is over here. Okay, got it? Tape it like this, slowly. There's only one is enough. Got it? Okay. Next, we'll take another battery and make sure we'll put the flat. Okay, the minus one, not this one. Okay, so this one will meet into here. It's like that. Okay, like this, and we'll tape it. We'll tape this battery. Make sure it is connected when we tape it. Hold it like this with your thumb. Okay, and tape it. Circle it. Okay, make sure it's connected to that. Got it? Okay, it's like this. Simple. And next we'll make another spoon, this one again. Make sure it's connected. If it is not too strong, you can do the same again like this. If it is not really strong, you can do it again with the tape. Yeah. It depends on the situation. If it is not really strong enough, you can stick it again. Okay, now like this, we have this. The second spoon, we'll put it here. It will look like this. Okay, I'll put it here. Make sure the length is the same. Got it? Okay, and we will tape it. Okay, tape it again. Once is enough. Yep, that's it. That's enough. Okay, the next one, we will do something with this cable. If you want to cut the cable, you see the cable? You see the length of this battery? Make sure it is around twice of it. Okay? This is the battery, it's long. We'll make it this way, along this one. Okay? Get it? Okay, we'll cut it here. Okay, after we cut it, what we will need to do is set about this cable. Just take off this rubber from the wires. Just cut a little first. The first cutting is just make a little too small over here. It's like you know, a finger, just that long, small, little cut, not until really cut. You can see it, just like this. See that? And then you use your nail, push it and pull. Got it? Next, you press this one and turn the cable with the left hand. Ta-da! It become like this. You do the other. You do it the same to the other side, but it is longer. It's around for me. It's actually just around my finger. Okay. I'll make a little cut here. A little cut and press with the nail. Pull. Got it. Ta-da! And hold the edge and turn it. Turn and turn using the left hand, the other hand. Done. Okay. Next. Okay, we'll take this long one. We'll take the bulb, small bulb. Okay. You see this long? We'll just make a circle into this one, like this. Okay, and stick together. Hold it like this, and after that we just turn it all the way. This. Make sure it is tight enough. Okay, that's done. Next we'll try to test. Okay, this cable. Little. Put the cable here, and this here. It's working. So, if it's working, okay, now like this. Now, next, we take this one. You see this bulb with the cable. You see the cable over here. Just put it here. Over here. Take a look. You see the naked cable one, the wire. Just put it here, and you're gonna put it in here. And to make it stick, you'll need a tape. So we will gonna cut the tape first. Okay, and just stick it like this. Okay, that's simple. Okay, make sure to press it so that it won't release. Okay, I will have this one like this. Now, look. See, just try. Yep, it's working. But we'll make it better. Just make the real flashlight. Okay, first we're gonna need to cut. Okay, the cable is around here. Cable around here, we'll cut it. Okay, become this way. Now, what we need to do is that we will need wire to make this bulb stay here, stay still. We'll need the wire. So what we'll do with the wire? Okay, run the wire. Okay, to the bulb, just like this, just like you round the cable, run the wire before the bulb. Okay, when it's done, turn it like before. Be careful because the wire is a bit sharp. Maybe you should use pliers, but I don't bring one. Okay, make it into this way, like that. Make it strong that it cannot fall. Okay, got it? Now what we have to do is that make it just like this. See, we try to place this bulb to here, and what you have to do is that we just need to circle the wire to the spoon. It's like this. Okay. Make it this way. Okay, handle is strong, quite strong. Tight enough. Make sure the bulb is touching this one, okay? Make sure of it. You can use a combination. Just like that. Okay. That's it. Okay, it's thick. Did it. One. Now what we have to do is that we will also do something with this. The cable over here. See the cable here? We're gonna cut again. First with this, just make a small cut and take it not too long. We'll make a switch with this. Spin it like this. Max, because it's too long, just make sure. Okay, we're gonna put it here. So put it here. Can I put it here? So okay, no problem. Here. So look at this cable. Just cut it here, around here. On this one, almost same long. Okay, cut it. And take out the rubber. Try to test. It's become the switch. When I press it, okay. So now what we need is stick it to make the cable not go freely. Step it like this. Okay. The other one. Just make the cable. Just make the cable spin again and make it this shape. Okay, see the shape? Make it like this. Make it like this, not this. Okay, horizontal, and tape it. So how it looks like when we press it, when we press the switch. Okay, now it's done. What we need to do is just about decoration. Actually, it's up to you how to decorate this. So you can use origami paper. Origami paper. Take one of it. And the color you can choose, for example, I'll take, I like blue. Okay. Circle this way. All the way like this. Okay. Like that. Cut it down here. It's up to you how to decorate this one. You can use tape again, or you can use a double tape. That's better. And you can also make it here. Make sure it's not touched first. Make it like that. Maybe I'll need the Okay, this one like this. Tape it. Nice. Decoration is not really good. Just wanna show you how it works. I want you to decorate it by yourself, okay? Josie, Glenn, Viola, Jonathan, Glenn, Christine. Okay. Now, it's easy. See that one? You can just make it this the simple one. This is not really good the decoration. You can make it better. And if it is not really good over here, you can just cut it to make it good. Where is it? I'll turn off the lamp. See how good this light is. It's quite bright, huh? Okay. So, see you. Bye bye. Good luck for that. Okay. After the holiday, I want you to make this. Okay. I want you to decorate it well with your own imagination and your creation. Okay. See you.